Which of the following is not a twin prime? Option D 13, 17. Which of the following is a prime number? Option A 571. In which of the following case the two numbers are co-prime? Option D two consecutive odd numbers. In which of the following case two prime numbers are co-prime? Option D three consecutive natural numbers with first one being odd. How many prime numbers are less than 70? Option B 19. Which of the following is not a prime number? Option D 259. Which is the smallest prime number? Option B 2. Which is the smallest odd prime number? Option C 3. Find the sum of all two-digit prime numbers. Option A 1043. Consider the following statements. Which of the statements above is correct? Option C both 1 and 2. The value of x in this equation. Option A 150. When a certain number is multiplied by 21, the product consists entirely of 3s. What is the minimum number of 3s in the product? Option A 6. Find the sum of cubes of the first 50 natural numbers. Option A 1625625. Find the sum of squares of the number from 101 to 200. Option A 2348350. Find the sum of first 75 odd natural numbers. Option A 5625. Find the sum of first 90 even natural numbers. Option C 8190. Find the total number of three-digit numbers with the unit digits 7 and divisible by 11. Option B 8. If B is the set of squares of natural numbers and m and n are any two elements of B, then which of the following statement is correct? Option D m into n belongs to B. If 2 power p plus 3 power q is equal to 25 and 2 power p plus 2 minus 3 power q plus 1 is equal to 37, then find the value of p and q. Option B 4 and 2. M less than 0, 0 less than n, then which of the following relation correct? Option B 1 by m less than 1 by n. The 999th digit of 56700 to the power 499 from right side. Option A 3. Person start multiplying consecutive positive integers from 120. How many numbers should he multiplying before he will have a result of 4 zeros? Option A 6. Find the sum of first 50 terms of the given series. Option D 3 by 4. Find the possible integral values of x in x plus absolute value of x minus 2 is equal to 2. Option D 1 or 0. If x is equal to y plus 1, where y is the product of our consecutive natural numbers, then which of the following are true? Option D 1, 2 and 3. How many pairs of natural numbers are there whose difference of their squares in 100? Option A 1. Find the sum of two numbers whose product is 200 and the difference is minimum. Option D 30. The mean of 1, 2, 2 square, 3 cube up to 2 power 63 lies between which of the following number? Option C 2 power 57 and 2 power 56. For which of the following condition is root under p into root under q is equal to root under p into q true? Option C p greater than 0 and q greater than 0. Find the number x such that sum of the number with its square is least. Option B minus 0.5. If L, M and N are prime numbers such that L less than M, M less than N, N less than 13, in how many cases L plus M plus N is also a prime number? Option C 2. If A plus 2 and A plus 4 are prime numbers, then how many possible solutions do A have? Option A 1. Every prime number of the form 3x plus 1 can be represented in the form 6y plus 1 where x and y are integers, then what should be the value of x? Option D even number. How many ways the number 3, 2, 3, 4 can be written as the product of two numbers which are co-prime to each other? Option A 8. How many integers between 201 and 401 are co-prime to 20? C 80. Find the number of co-primes to the number 144 that are less than the number itself. Option A 48. Find the sum of co-primes to 96 that is less than the number itself. 1536. How many positive integers from 100 to 200 are co-prime to 630? A 25. If x is a natural number less than 100, then for what value of n are the numbers 6x plus 1 and 15x plus 2 are relatively co-prime? Option A for all values of x less than 100. Select the set of numbers which are not mutual co-prime. Option C 72, 73, 74. Find the rational number lying between root 7 and root 8. Option B 14 by 5. What is the value of x if x is real and absolute value of 7 minus x by 5 less than 2? C. X greater than minus 3 less than 17. Given that 1 square plus 3 square plus 5 square plus 7 square plus 9 square is equal to 165, then what is the value of 3 square plus 9 square plus 15 square plus 21 square plus 27 square? Option A 1485. If m is a positive integer, then in which of the following form every square integer is represented? Option D 4m or 4m plus 1. If x and y are natural numbers not necessarily distinct, for all values of x and y, which of the following is also a natural number? Option A x plus y. If a by 5 is equal to b by 6 is equal to c by 9, then what is the value of a plus b plus c by a? Option A 4. If m is a negative real number, then which of the following is true? Option B absolute value of m is equal to minus m. If x, y, z are real numbers such that x less than y and z less than 0, then which of the following statement is true? Option C xz greater than yz. If m by n is equal to 5 by 8, then what is the value of m minus n by m plus n? Option C minus 3 by 13. If m is a positive even integer and n is negative odd integer, then which of the following real number is the solution of m to the power n? Option C rational number. When a certain number is multiplied by 21, the product consists entirely of 3s. What is the minimum number of 3s in product? Option B 6. Consider the following statement. Option B only 2. If in this equation where x, y and z are natural numbers, then what is the value of z? Option C 3. If p and q are distinct natural numbers, then which of the following is are integers? Option B only 2. What is the value of this expression? Option A 18.648. What is the value of this expression? Option A 105. What is the value of this given expression? Minus 434. What could be the maximum value of z in the following equation? Option A 8. Find the value of y which satisfy the inequalities absolute y greater than y and 7y minus 25 greater than 3. Option B all positive number greater than 4. A and B are two positive integers such that AB is equal to 81. Which of the following cannot be the value of A plus B? Option D 81. is the unit digit in the product 91 into 92 into 93 up to 99? Option A 0. Find the unit digits in these expressions. Option A 6. Find the tens digit in this expression. Option B 0. Find the units digit in this expression. Option A 0. The number 1, 3, 5 up to 55, the multiplied together, how many numbers of zeros are there at the end of the product? Option A 0. First 50 multiplies of 20, that is 20, 40, 60 up to 1000 are multiplied together. How many numbers of zeros are there at the end of the product? Option A 62. In the product of this expression, the digits in unit place is 8. What digit must come in the place of A? Option C 2 or 7. The numbers 1, 3, 5 up to 99 and 256 are multiplied together. How many numbers of zeros are there at the end of the product? Option A 8. What is the digit in unit place of the number 57 power 33 minus 1? Option A 6. What is the digit in the unit place of the number represented by 7 power 75 minus 3 power 74? A 4. Find the unit digits of the expression 25 power 6785 plus 36 power 728 plus 73 power 62. Option A 0. Find the unit digit of this expression. Option A 0. Find the unit digits of this expression. Option C 6. What is the units place of this expression? Option A 0. The last two digits of this expression. Option A 45. What is the unit digits of this expression? Option B 3. Find the units digit of this expression. Option A 0. What is the units digit of this expression? Option A 1. Units digit of the following is the same as the unit digits of a power 17 plus b power 17 for any positive integers of ab. Option C a power 13 plus b power 13. What is the digit at the hundreds place of the number 225 power 40. Option A 6. What is the value of this expression? Option A 5. What is the value of this expression? Option B 156250. What is the value of this expression? Option A 1,60,000. Find the square root of this expression. Option D 2a plus 3b minus c. Find the value of this expression. Option A 1000. Find the value of this expression. Option C 4. Find the value of this expression. Option A 2. If x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then what is the value of x plus y into y plus z into z plus x? Option C minus xyz. If a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then what is the value of x cube plus b cube plus c cube? Option C 3abc. If x is equal to 15 and y is equal to 12, then what is the value of this expression? Option D 1 by 3. If the sum of n term of an AP is 3n power 2 plus n and tmth term is equal to 166, then what is the value of m? Option B 28. What will be the maximum sum of 72, 69 and 66? Option A 900. A GP, if the m plus nth term is x and m minus nth term is y, then find its mth term. Option A root under xy. How many numbers are there in between 55 and 3815 which are the multiplies of 5 and divisible by 3? Option B 251. The sum of three numbers in AP is 48. The sum of their squares in 800. Find the largest amount of three numbers. Option C 20. The sum of three numbers in GP whose product is 512 and the sum of their products taken in pair of 224. Option A 28. The third term of GP is 5. Find the product of first 5 terms. Option C 5 power 5. The sum of n terms of an AP is 3n square plus 5n, then which term of AP is 224? Option D 37th term. If m, 2m minus 1 and 2m plus 1 are three consecutive terms of AP, then what is the value of m? Option B 3. The sum of second and seventh term of an AP is 6. Find the sum of first 8. Option A 24. On dividing 30879 by a certain number, the quotient is 67 and the remainder is 327. Find the divisor. B 456. In a division sum, the divisor is 11 times the quotient and the 6 times the remainder. If the remainder is 55, determine the dividend. Option A 9955. If a number when divided by 91 leaves a remainder 65, if the same number is divided by 13, find the remainder. Option C 0. A number when divided by 9 leaves remainder 6. When a square of the same number is divided by 9, find the remainder. Option D 0. Find the remainder when 7 power 18 plus 6 is divided by 6. Option B 1. Find the remainder when 589 to the power 2587 plus 9 is divided by 590. Option A 8. If 9 to the power 126 is divided by 80, find the remainder. Option D 1. Find the remainder when 367 to the power 188 minus 333 to the power 188 is divided by 700. Option B 0. For what values of n 3 power 2 n minus 1 is divisible by 2 power n plus 2? Option D both 1 and 2. For any natural number m, m cube minus m is divisible by which of the following number? Option A 6. A number being successively divided by 5, 7 and 9 leaves remainder 2, 4 and 6 respectively. Find the respective remainders if the order of the divisor is reversed. Option A 743. If 7 times the smaller number is divided by the larger one, we get 5 as quotient and 1 is remainder. Also, if 3 times the larger number is divided by the smaller one, we get 4 as quotient and 3 as remainder. Find the numbers. Option B 25 and 18. Three girls X, Y and Z were asked to divide a certain numbers by 1547 by a method of factor. They took the factor in this order respectively. If the first girl X obtained 2, 3, 5 add successive remainder, then find the successive remainders obtained by the other two girls Y and Z. Option C 2, 1, 2 and 15, 5, 3. 11 is added to a certain number, the sum is multiplied by 7, the product is divided by 6 and finally 2 is subtracted from the quotient. Thus, if the remainder left is 12, what is the original number? Option D 1. Find the remainder when 10 power 3 plus 9 power 3 into 6 power 52 is divided by 12 power 3. Option A 1. Find the two-digit number, the quotient of whose division by the product of its digit is equal to 9 by 2 and the difference between the required number and the number consisting of the same digits written in reverse order is 63. Option A 81. Find the two-digit number if it is known that the ratio of the required number and the sum of its digit is 7 and also the quotient of the product of its digit, and that is the sum is 8 by 3. Option B 84. 9 power 12 minus 5 power 12 is divisible by which of the following number? Option D 106 or 56 or 14. If we divide the unknown two-digit number by the number consisting of the same numbers in reverse order, we get 2 as a quotient and 10 as remainder. If we divide the required number by the sum of its digit, we get 7 as quotient and 6 as a remainder. Find the number. Option A 62. Find the greatest common divisor of 2 power 200 minus 1 and 2 power 240 minus 1. Option A 2 power 40 minus 1. If A, B and C are in GP, then 1 by 1 plus log 10A, 1 by 1 plus log 10B and 1 by 1 plus log 10C will be in which of the following progression? Option C HP. Find the sum of 1 plus 3 by 5 plus 5 by 25 plus 7 by 125 plus up to n term. Option A 15 by 8. If A 2A plus 2 and 3A plus 3 are in GP, then what is the fifth term of GP? Option A minus 81 by 4. Find the sum of the first n terms of the series. Option C n plus 2 power minus n minus 1. In a pond, flowers triple in every 6 minutes. If there are 3 flowers in a pond initially, then in what times the number of flowers becomes 177, 147? Option B 60 minutes. A ball is dropped from height of 520 meter. It bounces back rising a height of 256 meter. Each time it further touches the floor, it rises the half the height it fell from before the previous bounce. Find the total distance traveled by the ball. Option C 1536 meter. Given x is equal to 3 power 65 and y is equal to sum of 3 power 64 up to 3 power 0, which of the following is true? Option D x is larger than y by 1. If log 3x minus 1 and log 3x plus 5 are in AP, then what is the value of x? Option C log 7 base 3. What is the sum of all two digits number that leaves a remainder of 1 when divided by 4? Option A 1210. In an AP, the ratio of the 7th term of the 10th term is minus 1. If the 16th term is minus 15, what is the third term? Option A 11. Find the value of 689524 into 9999. Option A 6894550476. Find the value of 98765 into 3125. Option B 308640625. Find the product of 968427 into 3493. Option A 3382715511. The value of 5358 into 54. Option A 289332. Is the value of 2689 into 2689. Option A 7230721. The value of 499 into 499 minus 498 into 498. Option D 997. What is the value of 245 into 245? Option C 60025. The value of 124 into 5 power 3. Option D 15500. The value of 8 into 88 into 888. Option A 625152. What should replace x in the expression 5x4 into 6 is equal to 3024? Option A 0. Find the highest power of a prime number 2 in 50 factorial. Option A 47. Find the number of zeros at the end of the product of the number from 1 to 75. Option C 18. Find the highest power of 11 that completely divides 130 factorial. Option C 12. And the value of 10 factorial divided by 7 factorial. Option A 720. What is the highest power of 8 in 98 factorial? Option C 31. Each of the following cannot be the number of zeros at the end of any factorial. Option A 29. What is the value of 0 factorial by 2 factorial power 0? Option A 1. Find the value of n minus 1 factorial by n plus 1 factorial. Option B n square minus n by n power 4 minus n square. Find the number of factors of 6 factorial by 2 factorial plus 4 factorial. Option A 4. Which of the following are true? 1. The factorial value of all the number greater than 4 is divisible by 10. Second, the factorial value of all number is even except 1. Option A only 1. And the highest power of a number 18 in 100 factorial. Option D 24. N factorial is having 37 zeros at its end. How many value of n are possible? Option C 5. Find the number of zeros at the end of 55 factorial power 4 factorial. Option A 312. 165 factorial by 20 power n is an integer. Find the highest possible value of n for this to be true? Option A 40. What is the highest power of 3 available in expression 58 factorial minus 38 factorial? Option A 17. And the number of factors of 7 factorial. Option A 60. Find the number of positive integers which divides 2 power 4 factorial. Option D 5376. How many factors of 19 factorial are there whose unit digits is 5? Option A 1296. N is equal to this factorial expression, then what is the unit digits of n power n? A 1. 3132 factorial base 10 is equal to x base 34. Then what will be the number of consecutive zeros at the end of x? Option B 194. Find the value of x if 1245x42 is divisible by 11. Option A 4. Which of the following is are true? 1. For the number to be divisible by 19, multiply last digit by 2 and add it to the rest of number, and answer should be multiply by 19. 2. For the number to be divisible by 29, multiply last digit by 3 and subtract it to the rest of the number, and answer should be multiply of 29. Option A only 1. If 23xy70 is a number with all distinct digits and divisible by 11, find xy. Option B 61. Which of the following number is divisible by 19? Option A 703. Which of the following number divides 7386071? Option D 11. If a positive integer n is divisible by 7, the remainder is 3. Which of the following number else remainder 1 when divided by 7? Option D n plus 5. Which of the following number is divisible by 7, 11 and 13? Option A 2002. If P and Q are integers divisible by 7, which of the following is not necessarily true? Option A P plus Q is divisible by 10. If a number is divisible by both 7 and 13, then which of the number case the number is divisible? Option A 91. Which of the following is divisible by 29? Option A 899. What list number should be added to 3000 to obtain a number exactly divisible by 17? Option A 9. Find the list number that must be subtracted from 2000 to get a number exactly divisible by 31. Option B 16. m is a positive integer such that m square plus 12 is divisible by m. Find all the possible value of m. Option C 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 12. Find the greatest 5-digit number which is exactly divisible by 47. Option A 99969. A chewing gum produced 58335 packs of gum. The company produced the same number of packs of each flavor of gum. How many different flavors of gum could the company have produced? Option B 8. Which of the following numbers divides 9 times 1? Option B 337 and 111 only. Which of the following is not necessarily true for a number m into m plus 1 into 2m plus 1, m being a natural number? Option C, it is never divisible by 237. What is the value of n when 34041 and 32506 are divided by a 3-digit number n leaves the same remainder? Option A 307. Find the number of positive integer p in the range 50 to 10 such that the product p minus 1 into p minus 2 into 9 minus 3 up to 3 into 2 into 1 is not divisible by p. Option B 11. If the sum of numbers x49 square and xq is divisible by 7, then which of the following may be a least value of x? Option B 3. What number will replace a if 3313a is divisible by 33? Option B 2. Find the least perfect square which is divisible by 15, 25 and 36. Option B 900. What digits should come in place of A and B if the number 1456A 6B is divisible by both 5 and 8? Option C 3 and 0. What is the smallest number when increased by 7 is divisible by 9, 11 and 36? Option D 389. And the value of x and y if a number 77495x 824y is divisible by 8 and 9. A 8 and 0. M is an odd number greater than 1, then m into m square minus 1 is always divisible by which of the following number? Option C 24. And the nearest number to 6600 which is divisible by 18. Option C 6606. The multiply of 22 in the following number. Option D 197142. If m and n are two odd positive integers, then m power 4 minus n power 4 is divisible by which of the following number? Option C 8. The difference between the square of two consecutive even integers is always divisible by which of the following number? Option A 4. Find the last digit of 4 power 65. Option A 4. Find the last digit of 158,967 power 74. Option C 9. Find the last digit of 689968 power 102. Option B 4. Find the rightmost non-zero integer of the expression 1340 power 123 plus 1580 power 153. B 4. Find the last digit of 688 power 102 plus 753 power 103. Option C 1. Find the last digit of 67 to the power 67 to the power 12. Option D 7. What is the frequency of digit 6 in power cycle? Option A 1. Find the last digit in the sum of fourth power of the sum of first 100 natural numbers. Option D 0. Find the unit digits of 256 power 789 into 789 power 356. Option A 6. Find the unit digits of 258 power 25 minus 364 power 18. Option A 2. Find the value of 7 power 301 by 4. Option A 3. Find the remainder when 11 power 526 is divided by 5. Option A 1. Which of the following divides 3 power 45 plus 3 power 46 plus 3 power 47 plus 3 power 48 plus 3 power 49? Option A 11. What is the remainder when 23 power 85 plus 15 power 85 is divisible by 19? Option A 0. What is the remainder when 25 power 65 is divided by 26? Option B 25. What is the remainder when a prime number greater than 6 is divided by 6? Option B 1 or 5. When 8 power 255 is divided by 511, what is the remainder? Option D 1. What is the remainder when n equal to 1521 into 1523 into 1525 is divisible by 12? Option A 3. What is the remainder when 4 power 156 is divided by 6? Option D 4. Find the last two digits of 7 power 2020. Option C 01. What is the number of factors of the number 9600? Option B 14. How many factors of 2 power 7 into 3 power 9 are perfect squares? Option B 20. How many two digits number are there which has only 3 factors including 1? Option A 2. How many prime factors are there in 2100? Option B 6. How many distinct prime factors are there in 9900? Option A 4. Find the sum of all factors of 800. Option A 1953. And the number of divisor of 711 which are greater than 4. Option D 4. Find the number of divisor of 616 excluding 1 and 616. Option C 14. Find the number of factors of 1001 excluding the multiplies of 1001. Option B 7. Find the number of factors of 693 excluding the multiplies of 7. Option D 6. Find the number of factors of 1512 excluding the factors which are perfect squares. Option C 28. Find the number of even factors of 5000. Option B 15. Find the number of odd factors of 1900. Option D 6. Find the sum of all even factors of 600. Option B 1736. Find the sum of all odd factors of 2178. Option A 1729. Find the sum of factors of 1200 which are multiply of 5. Option A 20. Find the sum of factors of 1400 which are multiply of 5. Option D 3600. Find the number of factors of 1750 which are multiply of 35. Option B 6. Find the sum of factors of 2800 which are multiply of 35. Option C 6510. Find the sum of factors of 1440 which are divisible by 40. Option A 9. Find the sum of all factors of 800 which are divisible by 40. Option D 1680. Find the sum of divisor of 10800 which are perfect squares. Option A 5460. Find the sum of even divisors of 80 and the sum of odd divisors of 90. Option C 258. Find the number of factors of 2400 which are not divisible by 24. Option C 27. Find the sum of all factors of 1500 which are not divisible by 75. Option D 1218. If n is a number and if 2n has 18 factors and 3n has 20 factors, then how many factors does 3n have? Option A 24. And the sum of divisors of 72 and 80. Option B 381. Which is total number of divisors of the number 6 power 12 into 15 power 9 into 14 power 14. Option A 89100. How many factors of 216 are not perfect cubes? Option A 12. Find the sum of all 2 digits and 3 digit divisors of 400. Option A 941. What will be the number of y-digit numbers in the nth base system? Option D n power y minus n power y minus 1. What is the number of 6-digit numbers in the binary system? Option C 32. Will be the number is decimal system if it is 203 in base 5. Option A 53. Find the value of x in the equation 53 base 7 plus 25 base 8 is equal to x base 10. Option B 59. What will be the number is binary system if it is 48 decimal system? Option A 110000. Find the value of x in the equation 111.01 base 2 is equal to x base 10. Option C 7.25. Find the value of x in the equation 1331 base 10 by 11 base 10 is equal to x base 16. Option B 79. Find the value of x in the equation 1ab base 16 into 11 base 4 is equal to x base 5. Option D 32020. In the base 7, find the square root of greatest 3-digit perfect square. Option D 22. In the base 8, find the greatest 4-digit perfect square. Option C 7601.